This video is part of a writing course on Udemy called Creative Writing, Writing Adaptations. Welcome back everyone. Today we're talking about something exciting, story adaptations. Have you ever read a story that felt familiar but had a completely different twist? That's the magic of adaptations. Let's explore what they are and why they're so fun to create. A story adaptation happens when someone takes an original story and changes it to make something new. They might change the characters, the setting, or even the plot. But at its core, the story still feels familiar because the theme or main idea usually stays the same. People adapt stories for many reasons. Maybe they want to make them modern. For example, Little Red Riding Hood could take place in a busy city instead of the forest. They might want to give a new perspective. Imagine the wolf as the hero instead of the villain. Or they might want to add humor or creativity. What if Little Red Riding Hood was a detective solving a mystery about the wolf? Adaptations let us reimagine stories in ways that are fresh, fun, and sometimes surprising. Here are a few questions to help you create your own adaptation. What if the setting was different? What if the villain became the hero? How would the ending change if the main character made a different choice? Remember, adaptations are a way to make a story your own while still honoring the original. Thanks for learning with me today. Now it's your turn. Read the examples provided and start creating your own adaptation. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Have fun and happy storytelling! Little Red Riding Hood is one of the stories in Once Upon a Word, Simplified Fairy Tales for ESL Learners. Available on Amazon and edufund.com.